Have you ever found yourself frantically searching through piles of mail or digging through old filing cabinets just days before a tax deadline? Or maybe an unexpected audit or right in the middle of a home loan application? It is incredibly stressful. But what if you could have up to 7 years of your complete financial history perfectly organized and instantly accessible, right from your computer or smartphone? Well, in today's Explainer, we're going to show you exactly how to do just that by downloading your bank statements from the Commonwealth Bank online. Let's dive into this process and get those financial records completely under your control. Here's our quick roadmap for today. We'll cover why going paperless is a game changer, walk through a desktop guide for NetBank, a mobile guide for the CommBank app, show you how to troubleshoot common download glitches, and finish up with some absolute security best practices.
Part 1. Why go paperless? Let's take a look at the immediate benefits.
I want you to take a second and really imagine the sheer stress of paper clutter. Think about the risk of sensitive financial mail getting lost in transit or just sitting unread on your kitchen counter. Honestly, millions of pieces of sensitive mail go missing every single year. So it's not just messy, it's actually a security vulnerability. Switching to online statements isn't just about saving trees, though, hey, that is a fantastic benefit. It's truly the ultimate organizational solution for both your personal and business finances.
Just look at the sheer amount of data you have at your fingertips. By switching, you're unlocking instant access to your records anywhere, anytime, completely free of charge. And the absolute most crucial point here is that CommBank retains up to 7 years of your statement history securely online. 7 years! That is a total lifesaver for comprehensive tax preparation or any long-term financial audits. Actually, over 60% of personal bank account customers have already made the switch to receive their statements online to take advantage of this.
All right, Section 2, the desktop guide. Let's walk step by step through NetBank.
If you're following along on your computer, log into NetBank. Right on the homepage, your very first step is simply to click on the specific account you want the records for, like your Smart Access or GoalSaver account. This takes you straight to the account details page. Now for step 2. Look over to the right side of the screen where you'll find a Statements box. You could just click Download Latest Statement, but to really harness the power of this tool, you want to hit View All Statements. That is the absolute key to unlocking all your historical data.
Now, welcome to the Statements interface. If you're a beginner, don't worry, it's laid out super logically. At the top, you've got your selected account. Right below that is a drop-down menu for the financial year, and then a clean list of the available statements, neatly organized by the date they were issued. The whole layout is designed specifically so you can find those historical records without scrolling endlessly.
Let's move on and actually build your download. For step 3, you'll click that financial year dropdown and choose your target year. Step 4 is where the magic happens. You can just tick the boxes next to specific individual statements if you only need a month or two. But if you're doing your yearly taxes, you can literally just hit the Select All box. It is incredibly simple to gather a full 12 months of records with exactly one click.
Finally, step 5. Once you've selected exactly what you need, a bright yellow bar appears with a download PDF link on the right side. Go ahead and click that. Now, if you selected just one statement, it downloads as a standard PDF. But if you use that Select All feature for multiple months, the system is smart enough to package them all together into a compressed zip file, saving them neatly right to your computer's Downloads folder. And just like that, your desktop download is completely done.
Moving right along to Section 3, the mobile guide for everyone using the CommBank app.
Now, there's a crucial difference here that honestly trips up a lot of beginners. On the desktop version, you had a very obvious Download PDF button. But in the CommBank mobile app, there actually isn't a button that says Download. Instead, the app taps into your device's native sharing architecture, so you have to use the share icon to save or email the file. Knowing this right off the bat is going to save you a ton of confusion.
So here's the exact tap-by-tap sequence for your phone. Step 1, open up the app, authenticate with your PIN or biometrics, tap Accounts at the bottom and choose your account. Step 2, tap the Manage button. Step 3, under Statements and More, tap View Statement and then select the specific date you want to generate a PDF preview for. Now for Step 4, here's that trick we just talked about. Tap the Share icon. On Apple devices, that's the little square with an arrow pointing up, and on Android, it's the 3 connected dots. Finally, Step 5, from your phone's menu, you can shoot the PDF in an email directly to your accountant or just select Save to Files to keep it locally on your device. It really is that straightforward.
Section 4, Troubleshooting. Let's fix some common download issues. Okay, have you ever clicked a download button on your bank statement only to get hit with a completely blank screen or maybe literally nothing happens at all? If that's you, don't panic.
Your bank hasn't broken down, your web browser is just being a little overly protective. Because NetBank uses dynamic scripts to generate your PDF securely on the fly, web browsers frequently misidentify these files as unauthorized redirects or spam, and they just block them.
To fix this, you just need to allow pop-ups for the CommBank website. This quick table breaks it down perfectly, so you might actually want to pause here for a second to find your specific browser. If you're using Google Chrome, you'll head to your settings, then Privacy and Security, Site Settings, and Pop-ups. Hit Add and type in *.combank.com.au. If you're on Mozilla Firefox, it's Settings, Privacy and Security, scroll down to Block Pop-up Windows, click Exceptions, and add that same CommBank URL. And for all you Apple Safari users, open your settings, go to Websites, select Pop-up Windows, find the bank in your list, and change that permission to Allow. Once you do this, that annoying blank screen issue will instantly disappear and your PDFs are going to download perfectly.
Finally, Section 5, Security Best Practices. Let's talk about protecting your data. I really want you to listen to this carefully because it's incredibly important. Keep your online banking credentials secure and regularly update your passwords to protect your financial privacy. See, when you download a PDF statement to your local hard drive or to your phone's files, that document is no longer protected by the bank's encryption. At that point, it is protected by your device's security. It's a shared responsibility. So please, ensure your devices have strong passwords, never download statements on public or shared computers, and always be mindful of who has access to the folders where you save these PDFs. And there you have it. You now know exactly how to leverage NetBank and the CommBank app to pull up to 7 years of your financial history, how to bypass those annoying pop-up blockers, and most importantly, how to keep it all totally secure. So the only question left for you is, now that you know exactly how easy it is to access your digital financial footprint, what other areas of your life are still trapped in vulnerable, disorganized paper files? Go ahead, log in, download a statement, and start taking your digital organization seriously. Thanks for joining this explainer. Keep learning, and we'll see you in the next one.